So hello, how are you? Today we will be doing the control and coordination chapters by exercise 4 question. Now let us start with this. I have already written so you can note it. Okay, which of the following is a plant hormone? We know insulin is secreted by the pancreas and is used for maintaining our blood sugar levels. Thyroxine is secreted by the thyroid gland and it is used for the general growth of the body. Estrogen is used in females for attaining the age of puberty, and we know that serotonin is a plant hormone which helps in cell division and growth of the plant stems, etc. Now gap between two neurons is called, this is a diagram of roughly drawn diagram of a neuron. We know that this part is known as cell body. These spikes are known as dendrite, we can call them spikes. This long rod is known as axon. And what is this? These dots are called nucleus and the endings are called endings. Now we see dendrite are present there, they can't be the gap because they are the whole rod. Synapse, we will come to it afterwards. Axon is the long rod. Impulse is the, we can say, the stimulus is converted into electrical or chemical impulse. Now we see synapse. So the synapse is the gap between two neurons. Now the brain is responsible for, I have already written that brain is the control center of our body, so it is responsible for thinking. Yes, it is correct. Regulating heartbeat, yes, it is also correct because it controls all the involuntary actions. You need to note down this word, it is a very important word for the board examination point of view. Involuntary and voluntary actions, what are these? Simply involuntary are those which we can control, which we can't control, and voluntary are those which we can control. Okay, now the balancing the body, it also does. There is a part in the hindbrain that is called cerebellum, and it helps in maintaining the posture and balancing the body. So it is like we walk in a straight line, or we do certain things like walking or running in a straight line, they are done by this part of the brain. Now the next question is, we have to mention the functions of receptors. So first of all, what are receptors? Receptors are this like structures present on our various sensory organs. How many sensory organs we have? We have ears, we have eyes, we have skin, we have tongue, we have our nose which helps in smelling. Okay, now they are responsible for detection of stimulus. They detect anything which is coming to our body and responding to it is a function of spinal cord or brain, because they have the only function to detection of stimulus and then transporting it to neurons for further transportation to brain and spinal cord. Okay, through the synapse they are converted into from electrical impulses to chemical, and then again to chemical to electrical. Now examples are thermoreceptors, photoreceptors. Now you can learn these things very easily, as you can separate these two. Receptors you already know. What is the meaning of thermo? You have studied in various subjects like thermoreceptors, like thermoelectricity, the electricity generated from coal. So thermo means heat energy. So the receptors which help us to gain or think about, or which helps us to know that something is heat, are called thermoreceptors. And similarly photoreceptors are those which help us to know about light energy. These are very important. We cannot say heat, we can say, but for instance we detect only the energy that comes from heat. Now photo is a Greek word. Now problems, we have shown that if there are any damage to these, what are the problems? First of all, we can make the points from this only. Detection of stimulus, our body is not able to detect to stimulus, or we can say because it is not transporting to it, our body will not detect stimulus. First point will be this, or you can write this one. Then electrical impulses or impulses cannot be transported to neurons, and this will result in malfunctioning at a large scale. And examples are heat energy can't be detected. Okay, so I think that these all 4 questions must be clear to you. If you have any problems regarding this chapter, or you want me to suggest or do some more questions from the exercise, please let me know in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.